This jumbo-sized rustic orange chocolate chip scone has a decadent buttery orange crumb, bursting with semi-sweet chocolate chips inside a caramelized crust that is swimming in a rich white chocolate Grande Marnier ganache glaze, and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. In a small bowl, rub 3 grams orange zest with 10 grams sugar until fragrant. Mix in 60 grams all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then rub 20 grams cold butter into the flour to a coarse crumb and stir in 20 grams semi-sweet chocolate chips. Gently mix in 40 grams cream until a shaggy damp dough develops. Shape the dough into a round disc and drop it in the middle of the skillet, greased with butter and sanded with sugar. Score the top with a sharp knife to create an X that cuts halfway through the dough. Brush the top with a thin layer of cream and a dusting of brown sugar. Bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven until golden brown and cook through about 20 minutes. To make the Grande Marnier ganache glaze, heat 10 grams cream to near boiling and pour over 20 grams white chocolate chips. Leave for a minute to heat the chocolate through before stirring, then mix in 5 grams Grande Marnier. Allow the scone to cool down to room temperature, then release it from the skillet and pour the Grande Marnier ganache glaze over top.